Jayco caravans come with 4 stabiliser legs, don't they, Grant?
That is correct.
Grant's one of our technicians here at Jayco. They're called stabiliser legs, not jacks.
That is correct. They're to stabilise the van, not to level the van.
All right, so we level our van with levelling ramps.
That's right.
And our jockey wheel.
That's right.
Okay, so we've got east-west, we've got north-south levelling. Once we're level, then we use the stabiliser legs.
That's right.
Okay, can you talk us through the process of putting these down and how we do it?
Yep, so underneath here we have a red handle that pulls out 2 pins and allows the jack to swing down. There's multiple positions that the jack can swing down to, if you see it lock in and so on. We want to use this jack wherever possible in a vertical position.
Okay, so straight up and down.
That is
90
right.
degrees to the van.
That is right, yep.
There will be times when that's not possible if you're on some pretty rugged terrain to try.
Yeah, that's right. If the terrain changes, you're on a slope and you have to wind your jockey wheel up at the front and it becomes lower at the back or vice versa.
Okay.
You run out of room to do that, and that's okay.
Yep.
If that happens and your leg ends up being off on an angle like this, it's okay. You just need to be aware that you just can't put a lot of load on there when it happens.
So we get level, we get that sitting at a 90-degree angle.
Yep.
Straight up and down.
Straight up and down, like that.
Now, I've got a tool that we use to wind that leg down, and it's not a power drill.
Correct.
Why not?
So you don't over tension the jack.
Okay.
And make it go beyond its means and destroy it.
All right. So it's not going to be as fast as using a drill, but to make sure that you don't destroy anything on the inside, this is the tool that comes with your caravan that you're going to need to put this leg down.
Yes.
All right. Process on that.
Yes.
We might hand that to you.
Yep.
You're the guru.
So straight onto the hex nut on the end there, and then we've got motions of winding down. Just keep winding. Get onto the ground, put a little bit of weight onto it, not too much, just enough to be able to stabilise the van, because they are stabilising legs, as we said before. Straight up, that's it, straight off, and we move on to our next one.
Good to go. And so we'll notice now that there is far less movement in that caravan.
That's right. Walking in and out of the van, it's not going to wobble as you walk in and out, or whilst you're walking around the van will stay stable.
Okay. And then the process when we're packing up is the same in reverse?
So reverse the process. Straight back onto there, in the reverse motion. Return the leg to its stop position like that, so it doesn't go any further. And then we swing it back up by pulling the red handle straight back up till it's horizontal. Make sure it locks into place and the handle's home so it doesn't fall down whilst driving.
Okay, a couple of things to note. We want these to go straight up and down where possible because we can get the most load onto them.
Yes, right.
They are stabiliser legs, not jacks.
Correct.
And we should be using this tool and not a power drill.
That is correct.
All right, more hints and tips available at jayco.com.au.